Chào các bạn. Chào mừng các bạn đến với Học tiếng Việt cùng Annie. Mình là Annie.
Welcome to Learn Vietnamese with Annie. My name is Jack, and today's lesson is entitled
Tiết kiệm tiền.
and that means saving money. The first part of that means to save up.
Tiết kiệm
And then the word for money.
tiền.
And what is the situation in today's lesson?
Có hai đồng nghiệp ở văn phòng.
So we're going to see two colleagues in the office.
Bây giờ là giờ ăn trưa.
And it is lunchtime.
Đồng nghiệp nữ sẽ đi mua cơm.
The female colleague is going to go out and buy some lunch. And before she goes out, she asks her male colleague whether he wants anything.
Đúng rồi. Bây giờ mình xem ha.
Yep, let's have a look.
Em đi mua cơm đây, anh ăn cơm không?
Bánh mì 15.000, cơm hộp 25.000. Bánh mì đi, anh đang tiết kiệm tiền.
Rồi, bánh mì, anh uống gì không?
Trà sữa đi,
Bao nhiêu tiền?
50.000.
Trời, anh tiết kiệm như vậy hả?
Rồi, bây giờ mình phân tích một chút nha.
Yep, let's go through the dialogue line by line. So first, the girl says, I'm going to buy lunch.
Em đi mua cơm đây.
Now, what's the word for lunch in that sentence?
Cơm.
So the literal meaning of that word is rice, right?
Đúng rồi.
So it can mean rice specifically, but it's also used to mean lunch when it's lunchtime, and it can mean dinner when it's dinner time. So it means meal, right?
Đúng rồi.
So I'm going to buy lunch, and this sentence ends with which particle?
Đây.
And this particle is often added at the end of a sentence where you're stating what you're going to do right now, right?
Đúng rồi.
So we know it as the here and now particle. So she's off to buy lunch, so she asks her colleague, do you want some lunch?
Anh ăn cơm không?
And that literally means you eat lunch. Do you want to eat lunch? So then the guy is thinking to himself about things he can have for lunch and how much they cost, because he wants to decide what he's going to have based on price. So he says, sandwich, 15,000.
Bánh mì 15.000.
Rice box, 25,000.
Cơm hộp 25.000.
So a rice box is just a takeaway meal with rice, right?
Đúng rồi.
They're called rice boxes colloquially. And so he's compared these two things and he chooses the sandwich. So he says, sandwich.
Bánh mì đi.
Right, so that's just the word for sandwich. And then which particle?
Đi.
And this particle is used when we're asking someone to do something for us, right?
Đúng rồi.
So what he's saying here is, get me a sandwich. So he's asking her to get him a sandwich, but he just uses the word sandwich, but he kind of has to add that particle, which means I'm asking you to do something, right? And then he explains his choice. He says, I'm saving money.
Anh đang tiết kiệm tiền.
So his colleague says, Got it.
Rồi,
Sandwich.
bánh mì.
And then she asks him, do you want to drink something?
Anh uống gì không?
So literally, you drink something? And he tells her, milk tea.
Trà sữa đi.
So once again, he just says milk tea, but he adds the particle that we use when we're saying, please do something. That particle is?
Đi.
Right, so the same as the sandwich. So he wants some milk tea. And then she asks him, how much?
Bao nhiêu tiền?
Right, and that's what you say when you're like, how much does this thing cost, right? But here, what she's asking him actually is, how much are you going to spend on the milk tea, right?
Đúng rồi.
It seems that in Vietnam, I guess you've got a lot of choice of like takeaway food and milk tea and stuff. So if you're going to go out and buy some milk tea or something else for your colleagues, you want to ask them, how much do you want to spend on milk tea? I can get you a cheap one or a pricey one. Is that right?
Đúng rồi.
So that's why she's asking how much. And his reply is 50,000.
50.000.
Okay, so that's 50,000. And there's another way to say 50, which is what?
50.
Right, that's like the kind of standard way of saying 50. But this way is also common, and you replace the word for 10 with this word.
Chục.
So this is just an alternative way to say 50 or 40 or 30. You just change the word for 10 to this word, right?
Đúng rồi.
Okay, so 50,000 is quite a lot, and it's a lot more than his lunch is going to cost. So his colleague is surprised, and she says, God,
Trời,
that's how you save money?
anh tiết kiệm như vậy hả?
Right, now literally this sentence says, you save like that, huh? You save money that way, huh? So which part of the sentence means like that?
Như vậy.
Okay, very common expression. It can mean like that, like this way, that way, right?
Đúng rồi.
So you're saving money like that. That's how you save money?
Bây giờ mình xem một lần nữa ha.
Alright, let's watch one more time, and this time you will have the subtitles on the screen.
Em đi mua cơm đây, anh ăn cơm không?
Bánh mì 15.000. Cơm hộp 25.000. Bánh mì đi. Anh đang tiết kiệm tiền.
Rồi, bánh mì, anh uống gì không?
Trà sữa đi.
Bao nhiêu tiền?
50.000.
Trời, anh tiết kiệm như vậy hả?
Hey Annie,
Dạ,
do you drink milk tea, right?
dạ.
How much do you spend on milk tea?
30.000.
That's 30,000 dong, right? Is that good milk tea?
Cũng được.
So this guy is spending like 50,000. I think his milk tea must have like alcohol in it or something. You should try that stuff.
Dạ, dạ. Cảm ơn các bạn đã xem.
Thank you all for watching.
Hẹn gặp lại lần sau ha.
See you next time.